sir. We got log on next week. We got log on next week. Y'all scared? Y'all scared? Log on. How y'all feel? How y'all feel? Pop it up. Pop it up. Pop it up. Don't baby. How you doing?
You really stopping in to get a damn mask? Hey, you gonna do that? Don't drink. Don't drink. But they might not be there. I told them, no, you go for it. I don't want no problem.
All sound like, yeah.
Y'all can wave.
Yeah. Let me make this now. Right, you're on the side. Come on, hustle. Hustle. Keep it up. Keep that teamwork spirit up. Keep that teamwork spirit up. Pump it up. Pump it up. Keep that teamwork spirit up. Pump that teamwork spirit up. Keep it up. Keep that teamwork spirit up. Keep that teamwork spirit up. Let's go, teamwork. Let's go. Let's go, teamwork. Let's go. Yes, sir, big man time, boy. Yes, sir.
Run around with that mess, trying to figure out what my cousin doing. Prison with them, he gon' fall like he was selling bricks. Wish I would've knew that, I would've been lit. Swear to God, since I was 17, I've been hood rich. I be at James on the house, all the Houston in the mix. I'm talking about spell time in New York. I'm about 4 seats to watch the Knicks and only do new players. I just want to show my new bitch, so I change the layers. I might have to pay them to go catch, so I make the layup. Oh yeah, it's question. Gotta pay us, gotta pay us. No, you might not beat it, I told him, no, you gon' fall like the cities. I don't want no problem with y'all. Now I got women kids. I don't gotta sell drugs, I don't bust up, got finish.
Big bad boys. Shout out to Coach Rich. We're gonna see y'all at Joe Day next week.
No, I came over, I came back to the slums a bit.
Y'all better reserve y'all rooms. That thing gonna be swole. Best of the best. DJ Red will be in the building.
The Touchdown DJ.
Okay, green light, pistol in the party don't seem right. You lost that money, don't seem right. It's about to be a 50 green light. I get in my feelings off that window. I'm gonna be this way until the end, dog. I got drugs on my mind and I cannot get it off. Gonna tears on my side before noon to take the loss. They told me keep my strap, but now you rest in peace.
Get down. Yes, sir. Slip and slide records. Get down. Finna take it to the highs. Just get on up and get down.
All of my peoples all across the world.
Get down.
This song goes out to all the boys and girls. You want the thug to come and turn your body out, you better take it to the high.
Come on. Yes, sir.
Slip and slide getting loose. More punch than your bowl of juice. And ain't nobody more jiggy than us. Stuff so rough it causes head rush like whoa. Give it to me, bring it here. Don't stop, girl, shake it here, shake it there. Let Money Mark get off your derriere. We off the chain for the whole year. So if you look good with a big old butt, live in your own crib and make your own bucks. Hit me up, tradeplus.com and tell me where you from.
Smoke out, choke out, we get off the chain like we just broke out. You don't know about me, J-Dot. When I come through, all the haters get hot. Cause I got more hoes, more dang, more cheese in the bank, more rain. My dogs on dubs, yours ain't. My dogs do whatever, yours can't.
We them niggas that's gon' make you get up out your seat.
We don't play, we take it to the highs.
MIA, take
Money Mark in the big freak show. Niggas recognize, hold through two when I creep through the room with the slippers like you. Give me room cause I'm buck wild man. I get you crunk, get you loose in the sand. Trey plus and we running it still. Funk boogie, spin the wheel. Cause we them niggas that's gon' make you get up out your seat. We don't play, we take it to the house. MIA, take it to the house. This the way we take it to the house. Take it to the house, take it to the house. 305, take it to the house. Oh, we got that fire, take it to the house. Slip and slide, take it to the house.